Hasnan, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Hasnan, in today's class, what we are going to learn that how we can make our own sprite. Okay. Just like uh, in the maze game, we learned that how we can draw our own backdrop in which we created a maze by ourselves. In today's class, we are going to learn about that how we can make our own sprite. Okay. First of all, I want to draw out my sprite. Okay, so I don't need this cat here, so I will delete this sprite. Okay. After that, when if I want when you go to the when you go to add a sprite, you go to this button and click this. Okay, but now you don't have to click this button. Can you see there is a paint option here? You have to click on this paint option. Okay, and there will be a page like it. Okay, so this is your working area. Okay, this is your working area. You can zoom in a little bit so that you don't face any type of problem. Okay, now Hasnan, if I want to draw a minion, okay, if I want to draw a minion, you know about these tools. I told you about these tools in backdrop. Snan, do you know about these tools?
Sir. I
Oh, all right. Now, if I want to create a minion, so what I will do that first of all, okay, I will pick this rectangle block, okay, and I will choose the color of rectangle 2. Okay, yellow, I think it's good. Okay. Okay, now what will I do that I will draw a rectangle here. Okay. Okay. Do you have any confusion till here?
no, sir.
Now, what I will do, I will draw. Okay, first of all, now Hasnan, you know that a minion does not look like this. A minion have round edges. You know that? But its edges are pointed. Its edges are not curved. Okay, so if you want to make the edges curved, okay, so which tool we will use? We will use this reshaping tool. Okay, can you see that this is a reshaping tool? Okay, we will use this tool to reshape it. Okay, now how we can use this tool? I want to curve this from here and from here. Okay, so first of all, I will click on this. Okay, and then I have to make 2 points. Okay, I will make a point here. Okay, and I will make a point here. Okay, can you see that I have created 2 points here and now we have total 3 points. Okay, now if you want to curve it, you will click on the center point and you will press the delete button from here. Okay, what we are doing that first of all, we will make a point here. We will make a point here. Okay. After we have created 2 points here, we will go on the center point. We will select the center point and we will press the delete button from here. So it will curve it. Okay. Do you have any confusion till here? Hasnan,
Yes,
I,
sir.
do you have any confusion in curving? Did you understand what we have done here? Okay. Now, what I will do that I will use a rectangle tool again, okay, to draw the pants of the minion. I will choose the color to blue and I will draw the minion pants here. Okay. Now what I will do that I will also curve this. I want to curve this. So what we will do, we will use the selection tool. Okay, we can zoom it here. I will put, I will select this. I will put a point here. I will put a point here, and then I will click on the center point and I will click the delete button. I will do the same here also. I will click the point, and I will click on the center and I will press the delete. Okay, so now you can see that our minion is now curved from top and bottom. Okay, do you have any confusion till here? All right. Now what we can do that we can draw minion eyes. Okay. So we will to draw the minion eyes, we will use the circle tool. Okay, and I will use the color to white and I will draw an eye here. Okay, we will draw an eye here. And instead of drawing another eye, what we can do? We can use the selection tool. We will click on this eye. We will click on copy and paste. Okay, so it will give us the exact size of eye. Okay, do you have any confusion till here? Now what we have to do, we can draw the eyeballs inside it. We can choose the color to black. We can use the brush tool, or we can use any tool which we want. Okay, that's big. Yes. Okay, now what I can do that I can mark it here, mark it here. Okay. Do you have any confusion till here? Snan, do you have any confusion? Ask me.
How can we make the shape of ball?
Now we can
Make the shape of ball.
shape of a
Ball.
ball, eyeballs.
Yes.
I have used the paintbrush here. Okay. You can also use the circle tool here. Okay, to draw this. Okay. I have used the paintbrush here. Okay. I have just clicked on it, so it will paint it. Okay. You can also use the circle tool and draw a circle. Okay. Okay, Snan.
Yes, sir.
Now, what else we want? We have to make a face. Okay. If I want to make a smiley face, what we can do that first of all, we will draw a straight line. Okay. Now, what we can do if I want to make this line curve. Okay, I want to make my minion smile. So I will use the reshaping tool again. Okay, we can zoom it and we can make a point at center. Okay, and we can stretch it. Okay, we will make a point at center and then we will stretch it. Okay, Stan,
Yes, sir.
what else we can do that we can join this from here. Okay, and if you want to color this separately, if you want it to red, you can just click inside it the red. Okay, but it will be done whenever your part is completely covered. Okay, if you if your the place where you want to fill the color is a little bit opened, okay, so it will not fill it. Okay, that's why I have joined the line perfectly. Okay, Stan, do you have any confusion till here?
No, sir.
All right. Now, Hassan, if you want to make costumes, if you want to make more costumes of your sprite, what we can do, okay, we can just click instead of, if you want to add a costume, you can just click on it or you can click on the paintbrush from here, okay, but it will take us a lot of time. Okay, so what we can do, we can just right click on it and we can duplicate this. Okay, now we have two same sprites. Now what you can do, now you can do that some changes in one sprite. Okay, what we can do, that we can delete one eye. Okay, we can delete one eye and we can place this eye here. Okay, and what we can do, that we can increase its size of the mouth if we want. Okay, and what else we can do, that we can add, if you want to add some eyebrows or hairs, we will use the paintbrush. Okay, you can see that the thickness of the paintbrush is 26, that's why it is thick. We can decrease it by here. Okay, and we can change the color to black. And now if you want to draw anything, you can draw it from here using the paintbrush. Okay, or if you want to draw some hairs, you can draw. Okay, Hasnan, do you have any confusion till here? All right. Now what you can do, okay, now what else you can do, that you can group this together. Okay, you have to center this whole sprite. Okay, but these all things are in pieces. So if you want to group them, so we will go on the selection tool. Okay, we will click on it and drag it from here. Okay, and now you can see that there is a group button here. Can you see the group button on the top?
Yes, sir.
We will click on the group button. So what will it do? That if you will try to move your sprite anywhere in the page, it will go completely. Okay, the all items are stick together. Okay, and now what you can do, that can you see that there is a plus sign
Yes.
in the page and on the sprite? You have to center it. Okay, so that your sprite is in the center of your page. Okay. Okay, Snan, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can do the same. Okay, we can use the selection. Okay, now if I don't group, okay, you might have a question that why you are grouping this. If I will not group, so and if I try to move this, you can see that this lower part starts moving. If I want that all these parts stick together, so we will use the selection tool. We will select this whole thing and we will click on group. And now if you will move, it will move as a whole. Okay. Okay. Do you have any confusion till here?
No, sir.
All right. Now, Hasnan, what you have to do, I'm stop sharing my screen. Okay. You have to draw your own sprite just like I have done. Okay. And then you have to code it by yourself. You can code anything inside them. Okay.